Hello friends, today I will tell you about Extruded Boss or how to use Extruded Boss in Solidworks. So let's get started. First of all, we will click on New, then click on Part, then click on OK. Click on Extruded Boss, choose any plan. I will choose top plane. Draw a sketch for extrusion. Give the dimensions. Then click on right confirmation corner. Then we get Boss Extrude window at the left side. We get from at the top. There are many options like sketch plane, surface, face plane, vertex, offset. I will choose offset for example 15 mm. It is got offset, as you can see, 15 mm offset from the plane, but I choose sketch plane. Second is direction. From here we can choose the direction like this. There are also many options like blind, up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, up to body, and mid plane. I will choose mid plane for the example. Put the value. You can see the plane in the middle. But I choose blind. Okay. And third is direction 2. If I will check second direction, it will ask the value. So we will put 20 mm. It is extruded 20 mm from downside of the plane. Click on OK. Right now, if we want to change the sketch of this extrude, we will go right click Boss Extrude, then click edit sketch, change the value by the double click. Confirm. Okay. Okay. We can edit the sketch like this. If we want to edit the feature, then we will right click on the Boss Extrude, click on edit feature, like draft, put the 10 degree, So it is drafted 10 degree from the plane. Then okay. Thanks for watching.